Hi friends, I am Tilak, you watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to align the text on your cell, inside the cell on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. For example, if you're having a bigger cell, you can just align the text to the center of the cell by using this option. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to align the text on your WPS spreadsheet on the computer, just going to show. For an example, here I'm just going to type as align. Okay, so we just type as align, or just going to paste here. Okay, so I just need to align this. I just go increase the cell like this. I just need to align this in the cell. So now the alignment plays an important role. Just click on the cell, then you just need to use this option. So this option is to use to make it on center, downside and upper side, and in the bottom section you can align the left, center and right. If you just make it on the cell center, click on this option and click on this option, so it will make the text to be a cell center. This is how you just align the text on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.